everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a flower. You can name it anything you like. It will be really easy. So first, we'll use one of our pens. Draw a line. Two lines right here. And then get your pen back and put line back. Oopsie daisies. Mine looks like this. Alright, now we're done with the pot. It's in a pot. I told you no. And then draw their leaves. And then draw the two stems. Nasty. And draw a curve. Then draw another one. And then a curve. And then a curve. And then a curve. And a curve. And a curve, and a curve, and a curve, and a curve, a curve. Like this. And in the middle, draw a circle. We're done. Wow. Pretty much the same. Now it's time to color. So this is the pot, which we're going to color brown in the flower. Green leaves and the stem green and the flower, I don't know. Well, this brown. Alright, let's start with, we have to find our brown. Oh, I found it. Let's start. I'm supposed to use brown, but I'm using a little bit of black for my pots. It's no brown though. If you like, you can make other designs on the pot, like stripes, dots, whatever you think of. I'm using my marker with some circles and some stripes. You can do any design, like I said. And up here are the dots and lines. I'm done! This is how the pot looks now. Our circle will go brown. Up here in the flower, the circle will go brown, I'm saying. Now yellow, green. Yellow, green, yeah. Coloring the stem. You can put patterns on the leaf, and I also did my yellow and green and added some brown, like dark green, just green. And draw a flower, a pattern on here. Oops, daisies. And the other flower too. This is how the pattern is. Oh, it's going to be a sunflower. Looks like we're done, and at the bottom or at the side, I'll write the pot's name. Right. I'll do this. S-U-N Sun F-L-O-W-E-R. I'm done. The name is Sunflower. Now let me go give this to my mother. Bye.